Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum to show you the Mirage Wig from the Wille Hair Society collection. This is a lovely long style made of heat resistant fibres which can be styled using heat tools up to 130 degrees. I'm just going to flip her inside out so I can show you the lovely cap construction to this wig. So you have a full lace front there running from ear tab to ear tab. Your ear tabs have the little metal stays in them to make sure your wig stays comfortably in place all day long. You have a full monofilament top, meaning that you can part the hair any direction you want and still see through to your scalp, so it looks like the hair is growing straight from your head. Here we have an area of hand tied. This is done on a really stretchy cap here, which makes the wig cap super comfortable. And then this bottom portion here has some closed wefts, which really help with breathability, keeping you nice and cool, especially in the summer months. I'm just going to pop this wig on so you can see what she looks like on. Just flipping that hair over, I'm going to grab onto the little ear tabs there, get her sitting nicely in my temples, about 4 centimeters from my eyebrows there. So as you can see, she is a lovely long style. Your fringe is 20 centimeters. You've got 30 centimeters from the crown, giving an overall length of 55 centimeters, but with some lovely little layers there. This style is available in a wide range of colors. This one here is sandy blonde mixed, which is a lovely sort of medium level blonde with a bunch of different highlights and lowlights throughout, giving a very natural appearance. I'm now going to try on a couple of the other colours that are available at Judy Plum so you can see some of the different colours available. Here we have the shade Chocolate Rooted, which is a lovely brunette shade with a slightly darker root there. You can really see the way that monofilament top shines through to the scalp with these darker colours and darker roots, giving that really natural appearance. And the final shade I've got to show you today is Mocha Rooted, which is a slightly lighter brunette. You've got some more highlights there and still that dimension to the root. I'm going to do a little spin around so you can see what the Mirage Wig looks like from every angle. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Mirage Wig from the Wille Hair Society collection. As you can see, she is a beautiful, long, heat-friendly synthetic fibre with a super comfortable cap. She is really highly reviewed and I can completely see why. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. You can subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel and follow them across all social media platforms, and you can catch me over on my Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Check out our other wig review videos and helpful how-to videos on the Judy Plum YouTube channel, and head over to the Judy Plum website. There's a link in the description bio to see all of the wigs that are available for immediate dispatch at the best prices and with great customer reviews.